Good morning, students. So let's continue with the chapter, that is issue of shares. So we have studied yesterday private placement of shares, public subscription of shares. Now we will be studying entries on issue of shares. So there are three stages, that is application, allotment and call. So take down first stage, share application stage. Under that we have first entry, that is entry for receiving share application money. So what will be the entry? It is bank account debited to share application account. Next we have second entry, entry for transferring share application money to share capital account. So the entry will be share application account debited to share capital account. Next we have entry for return of application money in case of non-allotment of shares. So sometime when the shares are not allotted, the application money will be returned back. So the entry is share application account debited to bank account. Next we have stage 2, or you can write second stage, that is share allotment stage. So under that first one we have entry for allotment money due. So the journal entry is share allotment account debited to share capital account. Next, second we have entry for receiving allotment money. It is bank account debited to share allotment account. Next we have third stage, that is the call stage. Under that first entry, entry for call money due. So if they have given us first call, it will be share first call account to share capital. If they have given us second call as well, so second call account to share capital. Third and final call to share capital. So it will be share first, second or final call account debited to share capital account. And second entry will be entry for receiving the call money, bank account debited to share first, second or final call. So you will not be writing first, second, third or final call. You will be writing, if it is first, you will be writing first. If it is second call, you will write second. If it is the final call, you will write final. Altogether, you will not be writing it. Clear? So there were three ways to issue of shares: for cash by private placement, for cash for public subscription. Then there is third one, that is for consideration other than cash. So sometimes shares may be issued in case of other than cash. So under that we have first one, issue of shares to promoters. So sometimes the shares will be issued to the promoters of the company. Who are the promoters? Who have taken the entire incorporation process from starting of the company. So what will be the journal entry? It is incorporation cost or formation cost, expenses account debited to share capital account. Okay. Next, second we'll have issue of shares for purchase of assets. Under that we'll have the first one, when assets are purchased from vendors. So the entry will be sundry assets account debited to vendors account. And second entry is when shares are issued to the vendors. So first entry was when we purchased from vendors and then we have issued it to vendors. So entry is vendors account debited to share capital account. Clear? So these are the entry in case of issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Next side heading take down, types of issue of shares. So we have three types of issue of shares, that is issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium, issue of shares at discount. So write down first one, issue of shares at par. Under that write down, if the company issues shares equal to the face value, such a issue is known as issue of shares at par. So write down, say for example, if a share of rupees 10 is issued for rupees 10, it is known as issue of share at par. Next we have second one, issue of share at premium. So under that write down, if the shares are issued at a price higher than the face value, such a issue is called issue of shares at premium. Full stop. For example, if a share of the face value of rupees 10 is issued for rupees 12, comma, rupees 2 will be the premium on that share. Next line, the premium on issue of share is a capital profit and not a revenue profit, and as such must be credited to the separate account called securities premium reserve account. Full stop. It is shown in the balance sheet on equity and liability side under the head reserves and surplus. So in case of the issue of share at premium, it can happen in any of the stage, but usually it always happens in the allotment stage. If in the problem they have not mentioned on which stage it is there, so you have to assume that it will be in your allotment stage. Okay. So what will be the entry in case of issue of issue of shares at premium? It will be share application or allotment, whatever is given in the question, account debited to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. So this will be the entry, that is the premium will be credited as to securities premium reserve account in whichever stage it is mentioned in the problem. If nothing has been mentioned, it will be in the allotment stage. Next, write down the third one. Issue of shares at discount. Under that, write down, if the company issues the share less than its face value, it is known as issue of shares at discount. For example, if the shares of the face value rupees 10 are issued for rupees 8, then it is known as issue of shares at discount. So what will be the entry? Securities premium is credited, discount will be debited. So it is share allotment account debited, share discount account debited to share capital account. Clear? So let us work out a problem. Take down illustration 5. Pawan Limited invited application for 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Payments were made as follows: 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on first call and 2 on final call. Now first you need to add whether the total is 10. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, which means it is issue of shares at par, that is face value is equal to the shares issued by the company. Okay, all the shares were applied. You are required to prepare journal entry, ledger account, and show the share capital in the balance sheet of the company. Assume that all sums due on allotment and calls has been received. Share issue expenses amounted to 8,000. 4,000 fully paid up shares were issued to promoters for their services. Okay. So let us work out the problem. First is the application stage. So write down journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry is bank account debited. It is which shares it is? They have not to equity share application account. So how many shares? 30,000 shares. Application money is only 3 rupees. So write down the narration. Money received on application for 30,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. So 90,000 debit, 90,000 credit. Next, second entry will be transfer of application money to share capital account. So equity share application account debited to equity share capital account. Again 90,000 debit, 90,000 credit. Write down the narration. Transfer of application money to share capital account. Then we have stage 2, that is allotment money. First entry is for the money due. So what is the entry? Equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account. Go to the question. What is the amount for allotment? It is again rupees 3. So 30,000 shares of 3 each. 90,000 debit, 90,000 credit. Write down the narration. Allotment money due on 30,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Next is allotment money received. So bank account debited to equity share allotment account. Again 90,000 debit, 90,000 credit. Write down the narration. Allotment money received. Next we have first call 2 rupees. So again first call money due. Equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account. So 30,000 into 2. 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write down the narration. First call due on 30,000 shares at rupees 2 per share. Next we have money received. So it is bank account debited to equity share first call account. 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount received on first call. Next we have 2 rupees on final call. So again, final call money due. Equity share final call account debited to equity share capital account. 30,000 into 2, that is 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write the narration. First call due on 30,000 shares of rupees 2 each. Next is money received. So bank account debited to equity share final call account. 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit. Write the narration. Amount received on final call. Then they have said that last sentence, share issue expenses amounted to 8,000. And then they have said 4,000 fully paid up shares were also issued to promoters. So first entry is of the expenses. So the entry is share issue expenses account debited to bank account. How much is it? 8,000. 8,000. Write the narration. Expenses incurred on issue of shares. Next, last we have, they had issued 4,000 fully paid up shares to the promoters. So incorporation cost account debited to equity share capital account. 4,000 into 10. 40,000 debit, 40,000 credit. Write the narration. Fully paid shares issued to promoters for their services. Then we need to prepare the balance sheet. Extract of balance sheet of Pawan Limited as on. So we have particulars, note number, current year and previous year, and then we have notes to accounts. First we will be doing the notes to accounts. We have particulars, amount and amount. Amount. So first we have share capital. Under that we have authorized capital, they have not given us. So authorized capital is nil because they have not given anything in the problem. Then we have issued, subscribed and fully paid up. So it is 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each, that is 3 lakh. Add shares issued to promoters, that is how much? 4,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 40,000. So the total is 3,40,000. So go to the balance sheet. We have particulars, note number, current year and previous year. So under that we have first one, equity and liabilities. Under that we have shareholders funds. Under that we have share capital. Note number 1, how much is it? 3,40,000. Clear? So this is how we work out the problem. We shall be working out the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.